want to taste it. I'm going to give you a real reaction.
Right, so hey guys, we're at LA Fitness today. I'm with Kevin. What's your name again?
Trisha.
Trisha, she's from Trinidad. So she's gonna really tell you guys how good our pastries taste at Ditty Island Delight. So go ahead guys, open the box.
You want to split one? Or which one do you think it'll be? It's like a
Is
pecan
it a
pie?
sugar cake?
Alright, let's do the sugar.
What is this one called?
So right, so in Trinidad they call that sugar cake. And we call that grater cake in Jamaica because that's how we prep the coconut, we grate it. So let's see her reaction. Rip it open.
The package is nice.
Thank you.
Have you with that?
Kevin, your mouth is watering. Open another one.
It is kind of watering a little bit.
Open it.
I'm gonna do the just like a
Let me
pecan
try
pie.
it for you. So this is the good thing. It's really sealed, guys. It's sealed really well. So if you can find that opening, you're good to go.
There's a freshness.
So this is all coconut right here. That's just tasting.
So is this like a pecan pie or something?
Right. Kind of like a pecan pie. That's coconut filling in the middle with spices. I'm not gonna tell you what spices are in there though. Can't give away that secret. So let's look at their expression, people. Wonder what they must know.
Oh, that's pretty good.
She's from Trinidad.
That's pretty good.
Take me back to my childhood.
No, that's you know it's really good. If somebody says take you back to their childhood, they're not playing.
It would take me back when I go to the dentist to get fillings. It's really good. It's really sweet. I can eat a bunch of these.
You guys want to try some other ones? Don't eat too much of that. Leave some for
yeah.
people.
Right.
Somebody else to taste.
My bad.
So here we have this. Which one is that?
Oh wow.
Let's try to put it back in the bag and see. We can eat it later.
Nobody's going to taste that. Get off all this. You might as well let us finish this.
Why Kevin trying to eat the whole gizzada?
You might as well let me
Eat it,
finish it.
Kevin. Eat it.
I am. Yeah. Clear plate.
Alright, so
I found it.
you found it? Okay. They are well sealed,
that looks
so that's
good.
really good. When you open it, you just like, smell all the spices coming out. That one is the peanut cake. And you call that
Nut cake.
nut cake. Look at your mouth drooling, Kevin.
It is. I'm either having a stroke. I don't know.
What does
Oh,
it
that's
taste
good.
like?
This has, I like the spices in this. I think it's like ginger or something. Oh, should I have some of that?
No, you can.
But I
you
mean,
can
it
guess.
tastes like it has ginger in it.
You can guess. What else do you taste?
Look at peanut patty. That's what we call it in America. Peanut patty.
The peanut patty?
So they're usually red, but this is brown. Really good.
Oh, I know the peanuts you're talking about.
This is really good. I like this.
So, all right, so out of the grits, you didn't get to taste the gizzada because Kevin had all of it.
No, dude, I don't really even take it back.
All right, let's try the coconut ginger drops now. Are you going to try the gizzada first? Like she's taking out the part that you're in the back.
Get over my mouth.
Not eat from the body mouth.
That's pretty good.
All right, so out of the peanut cake, the gizzada, and the grater cake, what's your favorite one so far before we do the ginger?
My favorite is the peanut.
That's the peanut? Me too.
I like the peanut.
All right, so the next one, the last one is going to be the coconut ginger drops. See if you can find the opener.
Got it?
See, we used to use some other bags, but I love these because
It's still pretty right.
they're really sealed, so they're sealing all that
Got
flavor.
it? Got it, Miss T?
All right, this is the coconut ginger drops. Let's wait for the response. See how they love this one.
I like this too.
We got a Trinidadian, an American taste in this. You know it's genuine response.
This also takes me back to my child. This is good.
That one even more than the grater cake.
I'm not a real farm person with coconut. It's pretty good.
I know there's so many people out there that say I don't like coconut, but I love these.
I know. That damn good.
He's nervous because he wants to take the whole box. Is that the case?
No, it's just that staying in the sun.
Oh,
I
okay.
sweat really easy. What do you call that? Perspire?
Alright, so which one could you eat over and over again?
All of them.
All of them? And you said the peanut is still your favorite?
Yeah. This is second, and then sugar cake is third. And this one is okay.
That's the gizzada.
Yeah.
I like
Okay.
this one. Well, those are my two favorites.
Oh, the gizzada and the peanut cake?
Those are my two favorites.
Okay, awesome.
This one and this one's my two favorites.
That's the peanut cake and the coconut ginger drops. Those are two favorites. Well, thank you guys so much. They didn't even know I was going to bring these today. It's a big surprise, so I'm really glad you guys got a chance to taste them.